Hey, my lovely lock minions, don't this look so cool? Well, if you like what you see, stay tuned and continue watching this video on how to wear your scarf, silk scarf, in many different ways. For me, the easiest way is the best way. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And don't forget, this is my channel, Locs, for you to love. First, you're gonna need a silk scarf. And then I take my scarf, place it kind of to the middle of my forehead. And then I kind of just gather and bunch the material together, and then I tie it tight. Now there's two ways how I like to do it. I like to pull this down to make sure there's no sticking pieces. You can tie it. And then I put these two things to the side, like this. Or if you don't like the bow, because I like the bow, I'm all about the bow, you can just double knot it. To keep it like that. And then you can put these two to the side. Oh, I look good. Or you can take these two pieces, as I just grab the extra material and I just move it. This way, and then I do the same. I have to hold on to this thing because I don't want it to fall. So I'm a little different. I just like being different. So I keep a longer piece out. And then I tuck this to the side and I have this like this. Ooh, this girl looking good. But if you don't like that, you can like tuck it. And you still have your piece. Style number 2. This, I like my hair to the front, but I use a ponytail holder to help with my hair to stay in one location. So I gather all my hair to the front. Doesn't have to be perfect. I'm gonna try to get most of the hairs in here. Then, can't see me. Oh, what's this? Cousin out of nowhere. You're gonna take your scarf and put it towards the back. And then in the front, you're gonna move your hair to the side. And then you're gonna tie. Now me personally, I like one little lock just chilling, minding his business, her business, whoever you are. Cause I don't know, I just like that. And we move this back a little bit and keep tying. So for the back, I just tuck in, tuck, tuck, tuck. After we tuck it, then I take these two sides and I'm going to twist them all the way down. And move it to the side. Twist, twist, twist. Then I tie here, and then I tie again, then I tuck it inside. What I'm going to use is the rest of the material that might be like sticking out. I tuck, and then I arrange my locks how I like them. Okay, so style number 3. Still, I'm gonna have my hair up to the center. It's like a pum pum. Okay, no, it's not. Disregard what I just said. Again, you're gonna take the scarf, head to the back, and then you wanna make sure you have enough towards the front. So as I tie it, I'm going to start tucking. Tuck, 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 tuck. Tie my knots. Tuck, tie. I like my ears covered. Some people don't. I do. Tuck, tie, tuck. Make sure that stuff's, my hair is hidden. Then I usually tuck this part here, and then I just keep tying. Tuck, tie. I go around, then I come back, tie again, double tie it, and then tuck. Tuck and tie is the name of the game. So now what I'm gonna do is try to make sure it fits the way that I like. Make sure I have my hair hidden. I have one lock that, for the most part, does not like to stay inside my scarf. And then I just let that thing live. It wants to live outside. So this is your style. I'm back for a bonus because you know I like bows. So if I didn't wrap these around, what I would do is form a bow. Forming a bow. And I take these two sides, open it here. These two sides, open it there. And then I would tie this again because I don't want it to go nowhere. And then I'm gonna tuck this thing inside. And then that's my look. I love bows. Locs for you to love is the place to be. If you want more information, more tutorials, or more advice on how to handle these luscious locks, search my channel.